Hey brewers, today we're just going to do a quick video, just a brief overview of the new Mammoth 24.5 liter ball lock kegs. These just arrived. They're around, I think, 180 Canadian, and it's nice that they're 24.5 liters. If you're someone who brews Cooper's kits, Festa kits, basically any of those like kit and kilo type of things, they're all designed for 23 liters. Or maybe you just make bigger batches. You have a G40 or a G70 and you need a keg that has more volume. This is 24.5 liters. The other neat thing is if you wanted to ferment under pressure or ferment and serve from the same vessel, you could do it. There's enough headspace in here to easily do a 23 liter batch and then pressure transfer out. So basically you would grab a couple goodies here. So you put in your wort, you sprinkle your yeast, you close it all up, and then you put on your spunding valve, set it to whatever you want, 15, 20 PSI, and ferment under pressure. And then if you wanted to do a closed CO2 transfer, or even just serve out of this, either get yourself a gas dip tube to replace the long liquid dip tube in here, or you could cut that dip tube, but those dip tubes are honestly expensive. If you ever decided that you wanted, the original back. So I would either go with gas dip tube. These are like $5, something like that. Or a carbonation keg lid. Then get yourself a carbonation stone, use it for both. And of course, a floating dip tube. So whichever way you go about it, this is floating on top, obviously sediment at the bottom, so you could serve out of here. Or just do a closed CO2 transfer into another keg. So pretty good. I mean, relatively inexpensive. I think 19 liter ball lock kegs, brand new, around 130, somewhere around there. I mean, we never know what price is today. They just seem to keep going up. So I think it's good value. And there's a lot of people who make those Cooper's kits or other 23 liter kits who are always come here and they're like, okay, well I can get 18 and a half liters in my keg, but I don't want to throw the other 3 or 4 liters away. I don't really want a bottle. So anyway, this would easily solve that problem. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And please like and subscribe to continue seeing more content like this. Cheers.